1. 1983 Dodge Viper SRT-10 Roadster. Price: $7,100. Located Massillon, Ohio, United States. The 1983 Dodge Viper SRT-10 Roadster presented here is a highly unconventional and attention-grabbing street-legal custom build that blends classic compact styling with serious performance hardware. Finished in a bold purple exterior with a matching purple interior, this vehicle stands out immediately and is clearly designed for enthusiasts who appreciate unique, aggressive machines rather than factory originality. Showing approximately 1,234 miles since completion, this build has been used sparingly and remains a true turnkey driver. Under the body, the vehicle is constructed on an S10 chassis, providing a solid and proven foundation for performance driving. Power comes from a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong throttle response and dependable street performance. The drivetrain is further strengthened by a narrowed Curry Ford 9-inch rear end, a setup well known for durability and torque handling in high-performance applications. This custom build is street legal and fully operational, though it has been sitting for a period of time and would benefit from a thorough inspection and general recommissioning before regular use. The seller notes that the vehicle runs and has operational videos available, offering confidence in its mechanical condition despite limited recent driving. This car is best suited for experienced enthusiasts who understand high-performance custom builds and are comfortable handling powerful, lightweight vehicles. Trades may be considered for items such as motorhomes, travel trailers, trucks, or off-road equipment, but the seller emphasizes that the vehicle will only be sold or traded to a capable and responsible owner. This is a rare opportunity to own a truly one-of-a-kind street machine with serious character. 2. 1971 Plymouth Duster. Price: $45,000. Located in Crownsville, Maryland. This 1971 Plymouth Duster is a freshly rebuilt, high-powered Mopar that blends classic muscle car character with modern boosted performance. Under the hood sits a newly built 383 cubic inch engine assembled by Jim Bowen, using a stock block fitted with eagle rods and diamond pistons, specifically built to handle forced induction. The combination delivers an impressive 631 horsepower at just 7 pounds of boost, thanks to a 671 supercharger paired with twin Phytech fuel injection carburetors. The engine has approximately 100 miles since completion, making it nearly brand new and ready for enjoyment. Power is sent through a newly built 727 automatic transmission assembled by Gary Neese, showing 0 miles and providing strong, dependable shifts for both street driving and aggressive acceleration. The exterior features a clean red finish, while the body, paint, and interior remain in excellent overall condition. Inside, the car is equipped with all-new odometer gauges, offering accurate monitoring and a refreshed cockpit appearance. Additional highlights include new tires, an Optima red top battery, and reliable cold start performance. The seller notes the car may reach around 200 degrees in traffic, which is typical for high-horsepower, blower-equipped setups. Overall, this Duster is a well-built, turnkey, boosted Mopar with a firm price and no trades, ideal for enthusiasts seeking serious street performance. 3. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price: $40,000. Located in Claremore, Oklahoma. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a street-legal pro-street style build that combines first-generation Camaro styling with serious big power capability. It is powered by a 427 cubic inch small block Chevy topped with a 6-71 blower, producing aggressive performance and instant throttle response. The engine features a World Products block, eagle rotating assembly, aluminum heads, crane rockers, and dual Edelbrock carburetors. Power is delivered through a TH400 transmission with a reverse valve body, built for strength and quick shifts. The car rides on 31-inch street radials, giving it a muscular stance while maintaining road legality. Finished in its original lemons blue, the exterior is matched with a blue interior that remains largely original. Due to the tubbed rear setup, the rear seat has been removed, but the original seat is included with the sale. Additional equipment includes a 15-gallon fuel cell with Mallory pump, stall converter, line lock, trans brake, and tubular control arms. With 66,000 miles and a long family ownership history, this Camaro runs strong, drives well, and remains street legal. Trades may be considered for a non-tubbed first-gen Camaro, Corvette, or similar value vehicles. 4. 1937 Chevrolet Classic Pro Street Pickup. Price: $37,500. Located in Peyton, Colorado. This 1937 Chevrolet Pro Street Pickup delivers classic pre-war styling combined with a modern performance-oriented build. With just over 12,000 miles on the build, this truck has been thoughtfully assembled using quality components throughout. The exterior is finished in a bold red paint, emphasizing its iconic curves, while the interior features a clean gray color scheme designed for comfort and visual appeal. Built with a full Pro Street chassis and suspension setup, this Chevrolet offers confident handling and a smooth driving experience. The wide rear tires and aggressive stance give it a distinctive race-inspired presence while remaining enjoyable for cruising and show use. The drivetrain is tuned for reliable street performance, making the truck both powerful and practical. The seller describes it as a true head-turner that drives exceptionally well, with all major build details visible in the provided photos. The vehicle is fully paid off, free of damage or issues, and ready for a new owner. Offered at $37,500 or best offer, this Chevy pickup is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique Pro Street classic with modern drivability. 5. 1973 Dodge Dart Sport. Price: $20,000. Located in Amosville, Virginia. This 1973 Dodge Dart Sport is a strong-running, well-preserved Mopar classic powered by a 340 small block V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Showing 67,000 original miles, the car retains much of its factory character while benefiting from tasteful performance upgrades. The engine features an upgraded camshaft and larger carburetor, providing improved throttle response and a more aggressive exhaust note. A positive rear end supports solid street acceleration. The exterior is finished in a bright orange paint that presents cleanly, complemented by a black interior in good condition. Recent maintenance includes new tires, a new battery, and a brand new brake booster, improving reliability and road readiness. The seller notes the car runs and drives very strong, with no major damage or structural concerns. This Dart Sport represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic Mopar with light modifications and original mileage. Priced at $20,000 or best offer, it offers strong value and classic muscle appeal. 6. 1968 Chevrolet Nova SS Pro Street. Price: $62,500. Located in McAlester, Oklahoma. This 1968 Chevrolet Nova SS represents a true Pro Street build that blends authentic supersport heritage with extreme modern muscle. Originally born as a genuine 396 SS finished in orange, this Nova has evolved into a street-legal, strip-capable machine built to deliver serious horsepower while retaining its classic identity. Power comes from a massive 548 cubic inch big block Chevrolet, producing overwhelming torque and acceleration suitable for both street cruising and drag strip action. The engine combination is topped with a Holley 250 series blower and an 1150 Dominator carburetor, providing exceptional airflow and throttle response. Supporting this setup are worked Dart 380 cylinder heads, which enhance efficiency and durability under high-performance demands. The result is an extremely strong and responsive drivetrain that reflects careful planning and quality components throughout the build. Inside, the Nova preserves much of its factory character. The original style dash, carpet, door panels, and headliner remain intact, giving the interior a classic and familiar feel despite the car's aggressive Pro Street nature. The rear seat has been removed to accommodate the build, while original keys and factory elements are retained for authenticity. With approximately 500 miles on the current setup, this Nova remains fresh, clean, and mechanically sound. The exterior orange finish presents boldly, matching the car's performance-oriented personality. Offered for sale or trade, this Nova SS Pro Street is a rare opportunity for enthusiasts seeking extreme power wrapped in genuine SS pedigree. 7. 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger. Price: $6,500. Located in Jonestown, Pennsylvania. This 1975 Dodge Dart Swinger is an affordable entry point into classic Mopar ownership, offered as a running and driving project with solid fundamentals. Powered by a dependable 318 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, the car starts, drives, and stops, making it a usable foundation for restoration or gradual improvement. With approximately 89,000 miles, it shows honest use while remaining mechanically serviceable. The exterior wears a blue finish matched with a black interior, both displaying age and wear consistent with a vehicle of this era. Cosmetic work is expected, and the seller notes several minor mechanical needs, including a carburetor rebuild, brake bleeding, and interior attention. These issues are straightforward for an enthusiast looking for a hands-on project. A major highlight is the inclusion of original documentation, such as the fender tag, build sheet, and owner's manual, which add historical value and authenticity. The vehicle does carry a salvage title and will require an enhanced inspection prior to registration, an important consideration for prospective buyers. Despite these factors, the Dart Swinger offers strong potential thanks to its complete structure and classic Mopar appeal. Priced at $6,500 or best offer, it represents a budget-friendly opportunity for someone looking to revive and personalize a 1970s American classic. 8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro 496 Blown Big Block, 1050 HP. Price: $45,000. Located in Wilson, Oklahoma. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is a fully built pro street machine designed to deliver both show-quality appearance and extreme horsepower. At its core is a 496 cubic inch blown big block Chevrolet, producing an estimated 1050 horsepower, with additional potential available through further tuning. The exterior is finished in striking rally red base coat/clear coat, accented by tuxedo black SS stripes, giving the car a bold and aggressive presence. Inside, the Camaro features a black deluxe factory-style interior, including bucket seats, console, door panels, and upgraded loop carpet, preserving the classic look while offering a refreshed feel. Power is routed through a TH400 automatic transmission paired with a Doug Nash overdrive, delivering strength and highway usability. A 9-inch rear end with 4.11 Posey gears and Caltrac suspension components ensures reliable traction. The blown engine setup includes Brodix aluminum heads, an HB blower, and dual Holley 750 carburetors, supported by a B-Cool radiator and electric fan system for consistent cooling. Additional highlights include a 6-point roll cage, odometer gauges, dual harnesses, front disc brakes, and fully functional lighting. With just over 12,000 miles, this rebuilt title Camaro is a meticulously assembled high-performance classic ready for street, show, or strip duty. 9. 1964 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price: $30,000. Located in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1964 Chevrolet Nova is an all-steel Pro Street build designed around serious forced induction performance. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet topped with a massive 10-71 blower, delivering eye-opening horsepower and unmistakable visual impact. The engine is paired with a 2-speed power glide transmission, a proven choice for handling high horsepower reliably. A narrowed 9-inch rear end provides strength and improved traction. The chassis features significant upgrades, including Mustang 2 front suspension and a 4-link rear setup, improving handling and weight transfer. Additional race-inspired components include Lexan windows, fiberglass bumpers, and a full roll cage, reinforcing the Nova's drag-oriented character. Finished in bold red, the exterior highlights the Nova's iconic lines, while the interior features a simple and functional black layout appropriate for a high-horsepower build. The seller notes the car has been sitting for several years and will require attention such as new tires and refreshed fuel lines, but remains structurally solid. Offered at $30,000 or best offer with no trades, this Nova is an excellent opportunity for someone seeking a blower-equipped classic with major performance components already in place.